Narinig nyo na ba ang imposter syndrome at self-doubt? When you have self-doubt and imposter syndrome, parang may dalawang class officer sa utak mo. One is the overthinker. Lagi siyang nagra-random announcements. Huy, baka hindi yan enough. Sure ka ba dito? Then meron ding isang hype officer. Siya yung laging absent. Dumadating lang siya pagtapos na ang lahat. Tapos, meron ding memory clerk. Imbis na nire-remind ka ng mga wins mo, ang binabalikan niya lagi is yung mga times na napapahiya ka sa recitation. So ayun, kahit may progress ka, feeling mo hindi ka deserving kasi yung mga officers ng brain mo sabog ang sistema. Pero guess what? Kahit magulo yung student council ng utak mo, ikaw pa rin yung president. Ikaw pa rin yung may final say. So next time na meron kang imposter syndrome, tell your officers, "Quiet please. I'm running this meeting."